To prepare chicken biryani, start with 500 grams of medium-sized chicken pieces. Marinate the chicken with 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and grind with 7 to 8 mildly hot green chilies. Add a little water to the mixture. Squeeze the juice of half a medium-sized lemon and mix it in. Add salt as per taste, chopped coriander, a handful, mint leaves, a handful, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, less than half a teaspoon of garam masala, and a teaspoon of cumin powder. Additionally, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 bay leaves, 2 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks for black peppercorns, 2 cardamom pods, a star anise, and a small piece of mace. Mix in 150 grams of yogurt. Optionally, add 2 drops of Kira essence for an aromatic touch resembling wedding-style biryani. Fry 350 grams of onions till they are golden brown. For the best taste, maintain equal proportions of rice and main ingredients. If you have 500 grams of chicken, use 500 grams of rice. Ensure you marinate the chicken for at least an hour. Prepare the rice by boiling water with a spoonful of ghee. Add 2 to 3 drops of Kira essence and include mild green chilies, the lemon peel used earlier, 2 bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon, black peppercorns, green cardamom, star anise, and mace. Once the water boils, add the rice, preferably Dawat's extra long-grain biryani rice, soaked for an hour beforehand. Cook until the rice is 70% done. In another pot, heat oil and add marinated chicken and the fried onions. For extra masala, one can add a tomato, either ground or chopped. Cook under pressure with 2 whistles if using a cooker, or simmer for 20 to 25 minutes if using a pot till the chicken is well cooked. Garnish the biryani with fried onions, chopped coriander, and mint. Optionally, sprinkle some orange food color and finish with a tablespoon of ghee to ensure the rice stays moist.